Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set any song as custom ringtone on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, setting a custom song as your ringtone allows you to personalize your device and make it reflect your unique taste and preferences. Choosing a favorite song or music track as your ringtone adds a personal touch to your device and enhances the overall user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin customizing your device ringtone, access the settings menu on your device. So here, navigate to the sounds and vibration section and select the ringtone menu. And within the ringtone settings, tap on the plus icon located at the corner to add a new ringtone. After that, choose a music file from your device and click down to confirm the selection. Once you have added the music as your ringtone, you can select it from the list of available ringtones in the settings. Personalizing your device ringtone with your favorite music adds a touch of individuality and allows you to customize the sound of incoming calls according to your preferences. Enjoy the newly added music ringtone on your device for a personalized and enjoyable calling experience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set any song as custom ringtone on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.